The strongest content layouts usually feel organized because every element has a specific role. Today, how to design structured content frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start with a warm off-white background and add a soft neutral gradient. Insert one large portrait frame near the top section and place your primary image inside it. Add 3 smaller frames below and upload supporting images into each one. Carefully adjust every crop to maintain consistency across the design. Apply gentle shadows to all frames and reduce their intensity until they feel subtle. Select the main frame